Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to solve this fraction where we have to do subtraction, but many people what do, they simply subtract the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator, that is 3 minus 1 as 2 and 5 minus 2 as 3, which is a wrong answer and wrong approach. You Because when there is a fraction with different denominator, first you have to make the denominator equal. So what you can do the LCM of 5 and 2. But both are prime numbers, so no need to take LCM, simply multiply them. So it's 10. So if your denominator is 10, now what you have to do, write the numerator and put the multiplication sign and check the in denominator of 3 what it is, 5, and in table of 5 at which place 10 come. So it's 2, so you have to multiply the numerator with that number. Now again write the numerator, put the multiplication sign and check in denominator 10 comes at which place? 5. Multiply with that. So it's 6 minus 5 by 10, that is 1 by 5. So this is the right approach. When denominators are different, first make it equal, then simply multiply with the numerator and do the difference. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.